The other thing that they share in common is they're in phases. Now, it used to be 4 phases. First phase started January 1st or whenever you enrolled in the plan, and that's called the deductible phase. Now, you know you're in the deductible phase because you're paying 100% of the cost of the drugs until you reach your deductible, which last year, the highest deductible they could charge was $545. Why? Because that was the most the government would allow them to charge. So once you reach the deductible, then you would tip over into the second phase. That's called the initial coverage phase. And that's where these copays apply. And most people would be in that second phase for the remainder of the year. That's seldom do people get beyond that. But the way it was is once you reach $5,030 in drug costs, then you would tip over into the third phase. That's the coverage gap, also known as the donut hole. Anybody ever heard of the donut hole? No? Well, it doesn't exist anymore, but the way that it worked is once you got over into the donut hole, you paid 25% of the cost of the drugs. So all of your drugs, you pay 25% of the cost of the drug. Now that could get really expensive. Let's say that anybody familiar with Eliquis? Eliquis. It's like a blood thinner. It's prescribed fairly frequently. It's expensive. It's like almost $600 a month. Yeah. And so, let's say that it was a preferred brand name drug. You go in the first month, you pay your $545, and it's the first month, and then the second month, you go in, you're getting it for $47, and it's $47, but this drug's almost $1,000 a month. You get in the summertime, and they say, oh, that's going to now be $250. You're like, whoa, what happened? Well, you're now in the donut hole. And you're going to stay in the donut hole until the total cost of the drugs reached $8,000. That's $8,000. That's not just $8,000 out of pocket. That's how much you're paying plus how much the insurance is paying. It's everybody together. Once it reached $8,000, you're in phase 4. That's the catastrophic phase, which sounds terrible, but it's really not that bad because at that point you pay 0